So I absolutely suck. I thought both my camera batteries were charged and they're both dead. So I got one pull on the camera. The car just made, it was like 704 uncorrected and then like 690 something corrected. It's cooler out, so the correction factor is going to pull power off the dyno with corrected numbers. But yeah, so this video might not be that good now since I'm an idiot and don't have batteries charged for my camera. So thanks for watching. I still suck. If you're new to the channel, this is the Dino Scooper 10,000. No one likes touching cold ice. The Dino Scooper 9,000, 10,000, 5,000, whatever you want to call it. It's awesome. Here we go. Let's see what it can do. So you can see where it really made power. I messed with the fueling a little bit on that one and changed the timing up top, and you can really see on the chart where the timing takes over. Let me move this thing. So these are the gains from the pulley, the lower pulley. All this right here, the blue line, I have timing pulled down. More timing pulled down, trying to keep the stock bottom end alive. I'm not trying to make 800 foot-pounds of torque on a stock bottom end down low. So this is all just timing based. And then got more boost, a little less timing up here. So it's definitely doing work. So that last pull was on straight 47% ethanol, no meth. My meth isn't working anymore. I thought it was weird I had to add a lot of fuel. I didn't think to check the meth kit. But that light should turn on. My meth didn't turn on, so we just made over 700 with no meth. That's cool. Now see why my meth isn't working. So I did the good old, what I always learned in the Army. If it doesn't work, just unplug everything, plug it right back in. And now we have power. So the meth's working again. So let's see what it makes with some meth. That's from the last dyno pull, the one that made 702. 47% alcohol, no meth. Now the meth works again, we're gonna try this again. Let's try this again and see if the meth actually works this time. this was no meth and it iced down. This is with meth, but the car hot. No ice or anything after doing 3 pulls. So we're gonna ice it down and see what it does with the meth now. Do 1 hero pull with it nice and cold, no meth, or no, the nice and cold, no heat up in the blower. Everything is dead. Got my computer charging in the wall as I did this last pull. My camera died. My GoPro's dead. I suck at this. Sorry guys, one day I might get better. Doing it live. See what this thing made. $695, $630. I'll take it. So these are our gains. This was the last time I was on a dyno without the lower. This was like 13 pounds. This is 17 pounds, so it's a pretty soft tune. I mean, 700 on a stock cam's getting it, but the tune's pretty soft. We could definitely get a lot hotter on the tune. Well, we're done. It was, I think it was like 698 and 702 were the 2 highest numbers. 702 was completely iced down, and then 698 was with the car like normal temperatures, not iced down or anything crazy, after playing with the tune for a little bit more. Yeah, I'm not gonna push it anymore. I feel like that's about as much as it's gonna do. Really at the limit. Like the cam's really limiting us now, but we're on the road, we're driving back home. Got about an hour drive from this dyno, so at least it's a nice day out. So that's cool. It's always cool to drive the car, make some power, then just drive home, no problem. So thanks for watching the video. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel or you're not subbed yet. And at 1,000 subs, I'm giving away some more stuff. It's my last giveaway for a while. It's a big step for me. I've wanted 1,000 since I started doing this. But I have HV tuners in the box, brand new. I'll put a picture of it right here, that I'm gonna give away to someone at 1,000 subs. So make sure you hit that sub button. Thanks for watching.